You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD out here in Las Vegas. Okay, we are about to get this shoot in. Who do we have with us?
Hey guys, it's Miss Chiamaka_Alphajefe. That's my Instagram.
Okay, I'm put that in the bottom left-hand corner. You ready to go?
I am ready, guys.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna back up right here. Damn. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But what we got is, we got a Westcott filter, and we got a clip right there. So then what I do is, I could just, I can push that in, make it look seamless. So we good right there. Boom. All right, here we go. Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yep. 1, 2, 3. So one thing that's important to note out here is that I love using my Sigma 35, but as you can see, that's an environmental lens. And when we out here, look at the environment. Everything that I want to really capture is far off in the distance. And so what's going to be important right here is that compression. So that's where I'm gonna go into using that 85 and 105. And that's why I specifically chose those focal lengths for this particular area. So you want to look at those types of things when you are doing a photo shoot. That way you can get the best out of your portraits. And then obviously I wanted to use off-camera flash, but I had to use a combination of the two given the situation with the wind. So work with your environment. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yeah, let's do that one more time. And I want you to come in a little bit more. Yeah. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Perfect. All right, got you.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
You made this mess and left me with the
I love that. Let's do that one more time. 1,
Now
2,
I wanna
3.
burn
Let's
all
go.
the bridges between us.
All right, hold on.
Can't focus. I
Boom.
can't
Can you
forget.
when you do that, can you
I've
turn your
been
face kind of that way? I'm gonna show you.
too much lately. I just need to
Yeah.
clear
Well,
my
this one hard right here though.
Woo!
Yeah. That's the one right there. That's the one.
I just need to clear my head.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I've been
Perfect.
stuck on memory, but it's not like I need it.
All right, that's good.
And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
1, 2, 3.
I just need to clear
1, 2, 3.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been I just need to clear my head. Can't focus.
Hey, go a little bit higher, SJ. Yeah,
I've been thinking too
perfect.
much lately. I just need to clear I just need to clear
All right, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Yeah.
I just need to clear
Let's see if you see anything.
I just need to clear my head.
Hey, I'm gonna use, yeah, I'm gonna need that. Yeah, one more time, one more time, one more time. I'm gonna be close up, though. Yeah. 3, go. Yep. We'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3.
I'm literally tearing up. Oh, Lordy. In my head, it came out well, but we got other power shots.
But yeah.
Okay.
So good job.